Good afternoon, children. Let us start with the next concept. Chapter number 8. First exercise, all the problems are completed. Now, the second exercise concept, we have probability area, tens and idea, and also new concept for you. Some other new concept. Out of the last exercise, second exercise, the Bayes theorem, important theorem. By using this theorem, we have 7 problems are there. Very important 5 mark question. Very important 5 mark question. By using only this idea, Bayes theorem idea. E1, E2, E3, etc. going on up to En are n mutually exclusive and collectively excessive events with P of Ei not equal to 0, I 1,2, etc. For any arbitrary event A which is associated with the sample space, already a sample space. P of A is always continuing. The denominator is called P of A. Denominator is called P of A. Only write the form. This is the formula. The base of the formula is P of Ei for A equal to P of Ei into property of A by Ei divided by sigma of I 1n. That means what? If I is 1 means 1 will come. Am I correct? Then 2 means sigma is now plus I is 2. Suppose 3 events are involved, we will get E1 from A by E1 plus E2, E3, 3 terms involved. Only 2 events means only 1 will involved. Here also, here 1 asking me, here 1 will come, here 2 term or 3 term will come, always. We have 1, 2 type of problem. Suppose here, E of E1 for A asking me, here property of E1 into property of A for E1, 1. The denominator is P of E1 into P of A for E1 plus P of E2 into P of A for E2. This is the answer. This is the formula. So, 3 events are given, numerator is the same, but extra also will come plus P of E3 into P of A for E3 will come. That is the idea. If it is 3 events, will involve me. If it is 2 events means only 2 steps diameter. If 3 events involved means 3 steps. That's all. Now listen here. Example problem 8.31 page 201. 5%. Now read the question. Refer the book. The question is bag 1 contains 3 red ball, 4 blue ball. While another bag 2 contains 5 red ball, 6 blue ball. You want to put the bottom 7, 11. Now what is asking? One ball is drawn at random from one of the bag. Now this is by using the Bayes theorem. What reason? Suppose 2 balls are there. Here one ball, here one ball. Here some balls are there. Here also some balls are there. Go and take one ball. Suppose I ask. But automatically, the first question is, sir, out of 2 balls, which balls are? That's why you will select the balls first. Am I right? Out of 2 balls, which balls you want to select? That is the concept, first concept. That's why when E1 and E2 be there, always E1 and E2 be there, we and even of selecting bag 1 and bag 2 respectively. Am I right? First concept over. Next one, when you cap A, B and even out of 2 bag, you select any one of the bag. After what is the name? If one ball is drawn at random from one of the bag and it is found to be red. Therefore, when A, B and even up, red ball. This concept. Am I right? Now first one, out of 2 bags one. P of E1 and P of E2. Am I right? This is our concept. P of E1 means out of 2 bags, you will select first bag means 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Am I right? Put the box. Then write the formula is easy for you. Am I right? Next first one, out of 2 bags, you will select another bag. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is the property. Next one is, what is asking? Red ball is asking. probability of red ball from the first pair. Probability of A for red ball here. Pair was E1 from the first pair is equal to total of 7. Red ball is 3 red. This side. Am I right? The probability of A by E2. That is what? Here A represents red ball. E2 represents second pair. The probability of red ball from the second pair is equal to denominator is what? 11. How many red ball? 5 ball. This is data. Write the data clearly. This is very important concept. In this type of problem, 2 pairs are there. Sometimes 3 pairs are economy. Out of 3 pairs, you say you know like no 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. We have only 2 event or 3 event. We only 2 we know 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Here, person red ball is asking the question. That's why that A be an event of red ball mean automatically probability A was E1. What is the name? Probability of red ball from the first pair. Probability of red ball, same red ball from the second pair. That's it. Now what is asking? Now find the probability that it was drawn from the second pair only asking. What is asking? To find the probability of E2 for A is asking. Second pair is asking. What is asking? Find the probability it was drawn from the second pair. Probability of second pair in second pair from second pair inside the red ball. What is the formula? Probability of E2 for A1 A mean the formula for this is probability is what? Probability of E2 into probability of A for E2. What I told you? You only D1 2 even know. That's why probability of actually probability what is the formula? Probability of E2 by A asking me probability of E2 into probability of A by E2 2 events will come. We have only 2 events know. E1 is the probability of A by E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A by E2 is the formula. Suppose 3 events are going to be grabbed is what? 3 circles. Name will be same. No change. So first pair asking me probability E1 by A asking me probability E1 into probability A by E1 will be matter. They are the same. Am I right? This side. Now substitute all the way get answer. E2 probability E2 1 by 2. A by E2 5 by 11. Here the same thing. Here 1 by 2 into the first one is what? 3 by 7. In numerator 1 by 2 into same thing, one thing. Denominator 1 by 2 is common. But 3 by 7 plus 5 by 11. Am I right? Now here denominator 7 to 11 is LCM. 7 11 33 plus 33. Am I right? Here also denominator is what? LCM. What is numerator? After cancellation, 5 by 11 is there. Here 7 11. Here 33 plus 35. This is cancelled. 5 is 7 here. Here 33 68. 1 is 35 by 68 is the answer. That's all. Write the formula and similar way we get the answer. Read the data clearly from the book. Then afterwards collect the data in the box. Afterwards write the formula clearly. Then substitute all the value. We get the answer 30 by 68. That is the answer. Very simple concept. The question, the way you can use the case are not mentioned clearly. That's very important. Read the question. That's very important. Out of 2 ball, 2 bag, you will select the bag, then select the ball. That is the idea. Out of 2 bags are there, your own bag. First, you will select any of the bag. After, from the bag, you will collect the red ball. This is the idea. That's why this is the condition probability. That's why another name is Bayes theorem. This is called Bayes. Now next question 8.32. Now read the question clearly. X means truth. X means truth 4 out of 5 times. 4 out of 5 times. If 5 cases means 4 cases are speaking truth only. If 1 case speaking lies. That's the concept. That means what? the x is truth 4 by 5 means automatically remaining part is what? The x speaks lies, remaining part is what? 1 by 5. Actually what? Truth is truth. Truth is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means apart from lie. Lie is what? 1 by 5 is the concept. Now E1 and E2 they are even speaks truth and tells a right line. Now E1 speaks truth, you know, 4 by 5. Remaining part is what? 1 by 5. First answer 1. Am I right? First answer 1. X speaks truth 4 out of 5. Now E1 and E2 together, even speaking truth and tells a lie, not speaking truth. Tells a lie means what does it mean? Not speaking truth. 4 by 5 speaking truth means 1 by 5. Remaining number is what? Not speaking truth. That is called tells a lie. That is the concept. Next concept, he reports that a tie is thrown. X speaks 4 out of 5 times a tie is thrown. Time is what? There are 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now he reports that there is a 6. That means what? When a die is thrown, 6 will come in. He speaks the truth 4 out of 5. About out of die speaks 6 times. What is 6 times? 6 is what? Only one number. 1 by 6. The corresponding value 1 by 6. Then not speaking truth, you know, the remaining number will come. That is what? 5 by 6. This is the concept. This data two numbers are not given. From this is given, this is given. This will be given. Here, this will be given. A die is thrown, 6 appears to be 1 by 6. 4 out of 5 given. The remaining number 1 by 5. Remaining number 5 by 6. This is the idea. Now, what is asking now? Question. What is the count that actually there was a 6? There was a 6. 6 is what? Even is what? Only 8. Am I right? The first even 6 means only even. But problem even par A is asking. What is the problem? Problem even par A equal to problem even into problem A into B E1. They are the same thing. Now the subsequent here we have E1 4 by 5. Here 1 by 6. Here 4 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 1 by 5 into 1 by 6. The denominator is 30, minus 40. The denominator is 30, by 30, there you go. Then 4 plus 5. This will be cancelled. Now 4 by 5 is the answer. Only by using the formula they get answer. But here what is the example? From the question, we collect the data, this idea. Collect the data, right? Because here 8.33, a battery has 3 missing. A1, A2, A3 producing 1000, 2000, 3000 screws per day respectively. A1, A2, A3 given. That's why A1, A2 and A3B and even now producing otherwise usually E1, E2 and E3B and even now producing screws per day by the machines A1, A2 and A3 respectively. Then same thing, that gap A, B and even now defective screw. Am I right? The A1 producing 1000 screw, A2 producing 2000 screw, A3 producing 3000 screws. Only that. And E1, E2, E3 and even. That's why P of E1 equal to P of E2 equal to P of E3 equal to. Am I right? Listen here. 1000 1000, 2000, 3000. Totally 6000. Even is first 1000 equal to 1 by 6. Okay, 6000. Second is what? 2000. That is what? 1 by 3. Here 3000 by 6000 equal to 1 by 2. This one is different. Right? Next one. Round here A is what? Defective screw. Round here defective screw. A for defective screw from the first machine. First event. Okay, second event. Third event. Okay? What is given? The percentage is given. No. What is given? 1.5%. First one 1%. 1.5%. 2%. This can be as 1 by 100. 1 by 100 to 2 by 100. In this way, collected. Okay? Now, here is the question last time. What is the property that it comes from the machine A? The machine A is what? Even E1. That E1 by A is asking. What is the property of E1 by A is equal to property of E1 into property of E1 by A divided by 3 E1 and property of A bar E1. Correct? A bar E1 plus property of E2 into property A bar E2 plus E3 E1. That's right? You can next also. E3 into property of A bar E3. We have 2 E1 or 3 E1. We will not change. We have only 3 will be 3 sub. That is 22 sub. Now subsequently here 1 by 6 into 1 by 100. Okay? 1 by 6 into 1 by 100 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 5 by 100. 1 by 2 into 2 by 100. Okay? Here 1 by 600. Multiply 1 by 600 and 1.5 by 300, 2 by 200. 300 cancel. Because now taking 600 is here, 1 by 600. Here 600 is here. 1 times 2 no 3. Here 3 no 6. 1 by 10. Is the concept? From the question correct the data clearly. Now write the formula, substitute it. This is the Bayes theorem. Result, Bayes theorem. Right. Now exercise 8.2. What I told you, I want to complete all the problem by using the Bayes theorem. First example 3 problems are over. Now some of the example problem by using the Bayes theorem, you want to find out question in 5th question, 7th question, 8 part exercise. The previous I did the same type of problem. But here is the question. A bag 1 contains 3 red ball, 4 black ball, 7. Bag B 2 contains 5 red ball, 6 black. Total 11. Now what is asking now? Find the probability that it was from the bag 1. Previously example problem, bag 2 is second bag is asking. Deltas are same. By a bag 1 is asking. As usual, E1 and E2 be and even of selecting bag 1 and bag 2 respectively. Okay? Gap A be and even of selecting red ball. They also return. What is data? E of E1 equal to out of 2 bags which had given on the bag. That is 1 by 2 only. The property of red ball from the first bag. You got what? A7, A3. Property of red ball for E2. E2 is what? Second bag. Second bag is what? Total 11. 5. Isn't it? In this way, you want to calculate what is asking? The first step only asking E1. Probably E1, the same thing. The second event. The third event will not come. Yeah, only a 2 event. If it's a 1 percent, you may write the formula. If you say 3 event, you only 2 event. Now substitute the value, we get that. First one is 1 by 2 into 3 by 7. 1 by 2 into 3 by 7. 1 by 2 into 5 by 11. Here 1 by 2 into 3 by 7. Here 1 by 2 is common. 3 by 7. 5 by 11. Cancel. 3 by 7 by 11 into 7 LCM. 33 plus 30. Am I right? What do you say? Now cancel. The 3 by 7. This goes what? 7 and 11 by 68. This is the answer. Okay? The previous question 35 by 68. Same question, previous question is what? From the second value is asking. Am I right? What is asking? From the second value is asking. First to backward is asking. That's why formulas are somewhat changed and answer is small change. But methods are same. Now listen here, 8th question. The first of 3 and contained. The and 1 and 2 and 3. That means what? One type of basket. Basket means the name of Kudai. The 7 white ball, 10 black ball. In person, total 70. Second one, 5 white, 1 black, 70. Here and 3, 7 white ball. There is no black ball, 0 black ball, but 70. About the 3 basket. 3 and you will set any one first. That's why at E1, E2, E3 we are even of setting and 1, 2, 3 respectively. But A we are even of getting a white ball. That means out of 3 and 1. 3 are 1 by 3. Out of 3 you will set any one. That means 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Now next one is total is 17. From the first hand, what is that asking? 8 white asking. 7 white by 17. Here 5 white by 17. Look at that. 17 white by 17. In this way. Now we want to find the probability that the ball comes from the first hand, second hand, third hand asking. This is the first solution. This is called the first hand. That means what? The first hand means this is the formula. Okay? First one is the first one. Now substitute here 1 by 3 it is 7 by 17. Here 1 by 3 into this one 7 by 17 plus 1 by 3 into 5 by 17 plus 1 by 3 into 17 by 17. Okay? In denominator 3 into 7 is 50 multiplication. Here also 50 is LCM 7. Here 5, here 7. This will cancel. 7 by 24, 20. This is the answer. Okay? Alright. This is the first solution answer. Similarly, the second hand is asking. The second hand is what? The table column, the table, first hand, then second hand. Second one. What's the number? Probability of E2 by E. E2 by E equal to probability of E2 by E divided by here. What's the answer? Probability of E1 into probability of A into E1. The probability of E2 into probability of A by E1 E2. The probability E3 into probability of A by E3. Now, what is numerator? The numerator is 1 by 3 into 5 by 7. What is denominator? The denominator I will find out. What is the answer? Same thing, no? What is the answer? 29 to 51. Okay? Directly, need not substitute the value because already substitute all the value. The total is what? Total is what? 1 to right? What was there? 7 by 51 equal to 751 divided by 29 by 51. Denominator total is 7. Cancel the answer 7 by 21. Here 29 by 51. Am I right? This will be cancelled. 5 by 21 is the answer. Similarly, you write third subdivision. Here only I want change of the slide. Second one, third one. The third one. Get E3. Get E3 for E3. Denominator is same. Am I right? Denominator is same. E3 is what? 1 by 3 is 17 by 17. 7 by 17. Sorry, 17 by 17. Get them what is what? 51 by 29 51. This will be cancelled. The 17 by 20 is answer. In this way, write the formula clearly. Substitute the answer, we get answer. Substitute all the value, we get answer. Now question number 9. 3 boxes. Box 1, box 2, box 1. There will be B1, B2, B3. Am I right? We have 3 boxes there. The defective proposal in the box are B1, B2, B3 respectively 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 3 by 2. These are defective items. Am I right? 3 boxes are known. That's why E1, E2, E3 we are even now selecting the boxes B1, B2, B3 respectively. Then A is the even of checking defective item. Now after 3 boxes you know, we have 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. The first one is what? 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 3 by 4. This is data. This is only given. Now read the question. Last line. If it is selected, the item is defective. What is the property that box B1 was selected? B1 means E1, E1 no. This is asking. What is the formula? Property of E in the property of A bar E1. Yes. Property is the formula. 3 units are there. A1, A by E1 plus P of E2 into denominator is a simple concept. This and this plus this and this plus this and this. In this way, you write the formula. That's all. This is the formula. Now, substitute already. The first one is 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Here 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 8 plus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2. Here 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Here all the number 1 by 3 is common. 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 3 by 2. This we can. Okay? 1 by 2. Actually 8 is easy. 4 times plus 1 time here 2 times 6. Am I right? The reciprocal 8 by 11. 4 by 11 is the answer. That's all. Anyway, I did 5 problem. Example 3. Exercise 2. These 5 problems only we have conditional, sorry, by using the Bayes theorem. Then one more last problem also the same method. Last problem also same method. But totally 6 problems. Example 3, exercise 3, by using the Bayes theorem formula. Collect the data, then write the formula, substitute the value, you get the answer. All the same method. Out of these 6 problems, you mentioned 1.1%. That's all. Now, 10th question. Is the question. A company has 3 machines A, B, C. Its good is that the machine A produces 20%, B produces 30%, C produces 50%. Even is some item, no? That item may be defective item. Defective item is the first message 7%, second 3%, third message 5% is given. Now, assumption, A1, E2, E1, E2, E3, B and even the product produced by machines A, B, C respectively. That A type is an even of getting defective item, second defective item. The first one is what? 20% is not. 20% is. That means what? 20 by 100. Am I correct? Yeah. 30% is. 30 by 100. Yeah. 5% is. Sorry, 50% is. 50 by 100. Am I correct? By chance, 1 0 will be cancelled. Am I correct? All are cancelled. Here, 7%. That is what? 7 by 100. The 3% is 3 by 100. 5% is 5 by 100. Need not cancel this one. Yeah, all gram will be 100 take easy value. Yeah, all gram will be 10, take easy value. Now, what is the thing? Last line, if the item is defective, the property that it has been made by the missing C is asking. Missing C is what? E3. E3 is the unit of the product of the produced by missing C. That's why E3. So E3 by A is asking. So E3 by A, what is the number? E3 from A, E2. Remember the same thing. Now, suppose here 5 by 10. Here 5 by 100. The first one is 2 by 10 into 7 by 100. The 3 by 10 into 3 by 100. Okay? Last 5 by 10 into 5 by 100. Okay? Now, we give a denominator cancel or that multiplied 25 by 1000. The denominator is what? 1000. Okay? There are 14. There are 9 by 25. This is the cancel. 25 divided by 18 by 1 40. 25 by 48. This is the answer. That's all. 25 by 8 answer. The example 3 problem, the exercise 3 problem by using the page theorem idea. Go to the question and follow the formula, then easy for you. Write the formula clearly. First, from the question, collect the data in the form of a box. Put the box in the pencil, complete everything, then write the formula, subsequently you get the answer. Very simple concept. Exercise 3 problem. Only 6 problem by using this idea. Page theorem idea.